Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P25DF, is related to the Variable Valve Timing Control, VTC, a system malfunction in the Honda Accord 2023 and beyond. This code indicates that there is a discrepancy between the phase control command sent by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and the actual phase of the intake camshaft. The PCM monitors the VTC system to ensure optimal engine performance and emissions control. When the phase difference is outside the specified range, the PCM flags this issue and stores DTC P25DF in the vehicle's computer memory. Understanding this error helps technicians know which components are affected and where to focus their troubleshooting efforts, ultimately facilitating repairs and ensuring the engine runs smoothly. Critical components involved include the VTC oil control solenoid valve, camshafts, and oil passages that contribute to the camshaft's timing. DTC P25DF signifies a malfunction in the variable valve timing control VTC-A system, triggered when the phase control command from the PCM does not match the actual phase of the intake camshaft. The primary control module, PCM, is responsible for regulating the timing of the engine's intake and exhaust valves, thus optimizing engine performance, efficiency, and emissions. A root cause of this issue may stem from mechanical dysfunction within the VTC oil control solenoid valve, located near the engine cylinder head, which regulates oil flow to the VTC system. This malfunction can also be attributed to obstructions in the VTC system oil passages, affecting oil pressure critical for camshaft operation. Properly diagnosing these components is essential in resolving the issue represented by DTC P25DF. Several possible causes contribute to the activation of DTC P25DF. Low engine oil pressure can interfere with the function of the VTC system, as insufficient oil flow can result in inadequate lubrication and improper timing of the camshaft. Additionally, a faulty VTC oil control solenoid valve can hinder the correct flow of oil, preventing the camshaft from adjusting as required. This valve plays a vital role in managing the oil supply to the VTC actuator. Another potential cause is an obstruction within the VTC system oil passages. These passages must remain clear for optimal oil flow. If clogs or debris are present, they can significantly impede the system's ability to function correctly. Addressing these issues promptly is crucial to restore proper engine operation. DTC P25DF may manifest several symptoms that indicate an underlying issue with the VTC system. One primary symptom is the appearance of a warning message on the vehicle's gauge display, potentially alerting the driver to engine performance issues. Additionally, as the VTC system malfunctions, drivers may experience poor engine performance, such as reduced power or responsiveness during acceleration. This sluggishness is often a result of suboptimal timing of the engine's valves. Another common symptom is reduced fuel efficiency, as the engine may not operate as efficiently due to the timing issues presented by the malfunctioning VTC system. Recognizing these symptoms early can help mitigate further damage and facilitate timely repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P25DF involves setting the vehicle to the on mode, where all electrical systems are operational without starting the engine. After that, the technician should select the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, and navigate to the InVTC function. This step is crucial for checking the vehicle's VTC system status. The results obtained from HDS will show whether the system is functioning correctly. If the result is not okay, it indicates that the failure is duplicated, leading the technician to further investigate the condition of the VTC system. This diagnostic check serves as a starting point to identify potential faults affecting the variable valve timing system. The second troubleshooting step requires conducting a test drive under controlled conditions. The vehicle should be driven at a consistent speed between 25 and 75 miles per hour for at least 10 minutes. This allows the technician to observe how the vehicle's systems respond during typical operation. During the test drive, it is essential to monitor the HDS readings, specifically looking for the VTC status, which should indicate that the VTC system is on. This confirms whether the VTC system is operating correctly during actual driving conditions. After this procedure, the technician should also check the HDS OBD status, PGMFI, for any presence of DTC P25DF, as these observations will provide insights into whether the malfunction persists. Once repairs have been made to address the issues related to DTC P25DF, it is vital to perform final verification to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This verification process includes thorough testing of all repaired components, such as the VTC oil control solenoid valve and the oil passage system, to confirm that they operate as intended. After ensuring all repairs are satisfactory, the technician should proceed to clear the DTC from the system. This action resets the PCM and allows it to monitor system performance afresh. Finally, a visual inspection of the entire VTC system can help identify any residual issues or ensure that none were overlooked during the repair process. This comprehensive review guarantees that the vehicle is restored to optimal operating conditions. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P25DF and ensure the longevity of the VTC system, regular maintenance is essential. One critical aspect is adhering to a routine oil change schedule, using engine oil that meets manufacturer specifications, which helps maintain optimal oil pressure and lubrication for the VTC system. Additionally, checking the engine oil level frequently can help catch any leaks or consumption issues before they escalate, ensuring that the VTC actuator has adequate oil to function correctly. Lastly, an inspection of VTC components, such as the oil control solenoids and oil passages, during routine maintenance can detect any early signs of wear or debris accumulation, preventing future malfunctions. In conclusion, DTC P25DF serves as an important alert regarding potential malfunctions within the variable valve timing control system of the Honda Accord 2023 and beyond. A malfunction indicated by this code typically relates to discrepancies in the camshaft phase adjustment, influenced by factors such as oil pressure, solenoid function, and possible obstructions in oil passages. Technicians must follow a systematic troubleshooting approach to accurately identify and resolve the underlying issues. Furthermore, implementing regular maintenance practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of recurring problems and enhance the reliability of the vehicle's engine systems. By addressing these components proactively, owners can ensure optimal performance and longevity of their Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.